Hi, this is Mr. Capoletti. What I'm going to do in this video is go over our angle pairs and our angle pair relationships when we have two lines intersected by a transversal. So the first thing I want to do is go over our angle pairs. So if I have two lines intersected by a transversal, the first pair of angles I want to go over are corresponding angles. So the two angles I have marked here, angle 1 and angle 2, are corresponding. They're corresponding because they're both in corresponding locations or the same spot. If I look at these angles, I would say angle 1 is top right, angle 2 is top right. If I were to slide angle 1 down, that would land right on angle 2, so they are corresponding. Let's look at alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles, again, I have two lines intersected by a transversal. Alternate interior angles, let's mark here angles 1 and angles 2. So if I look at this diagram, angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles because they're on alternate sides of the transversal and they're inside my two lines. Alternate interior. Alright, let's look at our last pair that we've talked about in class. Same side interior. Same side interior mean that we are on the same side of the transversal and we're inside the lines. Now, let's go back and review what is true when our lines are actually parallel. So, when we go back to our corresponding angles, if the lines are parallel, so I'm marking them parallel, my corresponding angles would be equal. So for instance, they would both be 70 degrees, and I'm just estimating that angle. Alternate interior, if the lines are parallel, then my alternate interior angles are equal. So I'll just say they look around 120 degrees. They would be equal. Same side interior angles are a little different. If you look, this one's obtuse, this one's acute. They are not equal. They are actually supplementary. So let's say this angle here is 120. This angle would be 60. And again, that's if my lines are parallel. Another way to think of this one, if I translated this angle up and put it here, because they're corresponding and they're equal, look what we have here. We have a straight angle pair and they add up to 180. So same side interior angles are supplementary. Hopefully that helps you understand your angle relationships. And if you have any questions, you can rewatch.